Ever drive past a cop and wonder if they're running your license plate? You didn't do anything wrong, but you see that patrol car and you start thinking, can they even run my plate without a reason? Here's the answer. Under New York law, yes, they can. In a Court of Appeals case, they held that an officer can run a license plate through their DMV database, even without suspicion of any wrongdoing. Why? Because the court said running a plate isn't considered a search under the Constitution. The information in that database, like your registration status, suspensions, is public record, not private. So here's how it works. An officer sitting in a patrol car can enter or scan your plate at any time. If the system returns a hit, say your registration is suspended or expired, that will give the officer probable cause to stop you. Once that stop is made, anything that happens next, questioning to arrest, can be legally obtained based on that database result. In another case, an officer ran a plate, got a not on file message, and stopped the car. The court said that was fine because the officer had some objective, reasonable belief the car was driving without a valid registration. Even if it later turned out that the registration was valid, the fact that the cop had reasonable basis to believe that it was invalid still allows for a legal stop. But there's an important limit. Running the plate itself isn't a seizure, but the stop that follows must be backed by probable cause, something concrete, like a suspended registration or an expired registration. So yes, the police can run your license plate at any time, but they can't pull you over unless that search reveals a real violation.